In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a PDF in ClickFunnels 2.0. Whether you're just getting started with ClickFunnels or looking to perfect the way you share resources with your audience, today's tutorial will guide you through every step of the PDF uploading process. Let's begin by heading over to ClickFunnels. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to your ClickFunnels account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Now let's move on to the workspace settings. In the dashboard, look towards the top of your screen where you'll see several navigational options. Click on Workspace Settings. This section of ClickFunnels allows you to manage various settings and assets for your entire workspace, which includes all your funnels, pages, and digital assets. Once you've opened the workspace settings, the next destination is My Assets. Click on the My Assets tab. This is an important step as it's where you manage all your files, images, and downloadable content that you might want to include in your funnels. By organizing everything in this section, you ensure easy access when adding assets to your pages. Next, locate and click on the Downloads option. The Downloads section is where you will specifically manage files you intend to share or offer in your funnel pages, like PDFs or ebooks. This helps keep your assets organized so you can quickly find and utilize them when building out your funnels. Now let's proceed by clicking on Upload File. This button will allow you to select and upload the PDF from your device's storage. When you click Upload File, a File Explorer window should pop up. Navigate to the location of your PDF, select it, and confirm the upload. It's always a good idea to double check that you've selected the correct file before proceeding. At this point, once your file is uploaded, it's a good idea to enter a highlight or description. The description field allows you to note any important details or highlights of your document, which can be helpful for organizing and tracking your assets within ClickFunnels. After you've typed in the highlight, it's time to finalize the upload. Click on the Upload File button again to confirm the action. The system will process this upload, and soon your PDF will be available in your assets for use. Finally, to complete the process, click on Create File. This step is essential as it finalizes your file upload and officially makes the PDF available for future use in your funnels. And there you have it. You've successfully uploaded a PDF in ClickFunnels 2.0. This process will streamline how you manage resources and can be repeated for any additional files you want to upload. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial, and happy funnel